jump. We looked, and we saw him step in on the mat. We looked, and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away! You do not want to play! He should not be about when your mother is out!
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up, Up, Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pot.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not!
I will pick up your book. You will see something new. Two things, and I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are tame, oh so tame. They have come here to play.
No! Not in the house!
Said the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
I do not like the way that they play. If Mother could see this, oh, what would she say?
Do you hear? I saw her! Your mother is near! So as fast as you can, think of something to do! You will have to get rid of Thing 1 and Thing 2!
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our games. What a shame.
Not so big, so deep and so full, we cannot pick it up. There's no way to know.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to,
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
should we tell her about it? Now what should we do?